to find the official Merrill Edge support phone numbers. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. Today we are providing you with some official ways that you can call for various type of helps for Merrill Edge, such as account questions, trading support, login help, etc. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So you can directly look out for their website as well, which is merrilledge.com, and you should be finding this page right here. And if you want to basically contact them, we can directly look out for one of the options and directly select this option. So if you want to open an account, we can look out for this section right here where we can call them. It is available 24/7 for opening an account customer service. So you can look out for the phone number and even set an appointment for guidance near you. Apart from that, within the site itself as well, we can look out for this help section in the top right and go ahead and click on it. And it should lead us to the help and support page. And here we can look out for it. So we have, if you're trying to open up an account or existing customer, you can look out for it. Apart from that, you can also basically look out for this section for calling us, scheduling an appointment or customer support. Or let's directly go to this site and look out for it. We can directly search Merrill Edge support phone numbers and it should provide us with the result. We can look out for it within their site itself and go ahead and view the phone number, which is for different kind of support. We have general support, advisory center, customer service, wealth management, etc. You can just go over and look out for it. Depending upon your account type, you can directly find it within their site as well, and that's it. And if you're outside of United States, you can just go over and usually reach Merrill Edge via an international support number. You can check your official contact page after logging into your account because international numbers can vary by region. But that is it, everybody. That's how you do it. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.